Okay, I just saw something huge in the sky over the tree line, but I'm not quite sure what it was. It looked kind of like a blimp. I'm hoping as we cross over here, I could see it. It was over towards the left side of the screen. But, excuse me, I don't see anything now. And the car beside, there it is. Way off in the distance. I don't know if you can even see that. In between the power lines. Is that a blimp? What is that? It seems to be kind of going up and down. Unfortunately, this is the most I can zoom in. I have the phone all the way up to the top of the windshield. You see it just moving across there. Behind that sign now. There it is, coming out the other end. It's gonna be going behind a tree there in a moment. It just has. Now they do hot air balloons out here a lot of times. I'll see the hot air balloons usually when I'm in the Walmart parking lot, but they'll be way off in the distance. And they'll be the round, typical hot air balloon type shape. Alright, we're moving. Maybe I'll be able to catch a glimpse. Unfortunately, I have to turn. Side of it, or it would seem that I have. Let's see if I can go down here real quick. There it is. Way off in the distance, right there in the middle of the screen. About to go over the mountain, nice and slow. And it's gone. Wow, what in the world was that?